So, chances are you've seen Nanoleaf in the background of many of your favourite YouTube videos. Those light up triangles usually creating a colourful, pulsing, illuminating background to interest your eyes. And I just so happen to have one of the latest versions, the Hexagon Starter Kit. And I'm here to answer two questions. One, what is it actually like for an average person who doesn't rely on YouTube to use these? And two, is it worth the money? Let's get into it. Hey up and welcome to New Rising Media, your home of hands-on reviews and gloves-off opinions about tech and gaming. I'm Jason England, freelance nerd journalist, and I thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to watch this video. Cheers. So we are here with the Nanoleaf Hexagon Starter Kit. I've got myself the 9-panel version, and why don't we just get it out of the box and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. So what this essentially is, it's an interesting, rather modern looking smart lighting system. It can really add a burst of colour to your walls, and it can integrate with your smart home system, whether that be through using colour to mimic what is on the screen, or using your app or smart assistant to tell it to change colours or to change to different moods, whatever those moods may be, or even in the more recent versions, simply by touching the panels to change the brightness or change the colours. So we have everything all in here. You've got your starter guides and everything, and then you literally on the top of it, you've got your panels. So the light show that these produce can match up to the beats of whatever music it hears, or it can just maintain a nice little bit of lighting ambience to the room that you are in. Now for most people this is just this is like for fun video backgrounds kind of thing, but we're not talking about the content creator types. We're talking about you, the average Joe out there who has interest in technology. Is this sort of thing worth the money? Because Nanoleaf systems can run pretty steep. And that's what we're going to find out as I pop out the controller that you'll pop on the bottom of your first Hexagon that goes to the plug. And then you've got the controller tabs. These essentially help each Hexagon talk to each other, and via the daisy chain of electrics, you can light them all up. And last but not least, you've got your sticky pads to get these tabs up on the wall. And that is what you get in the box. Now, I've been umming and ahhing while I've been waiting for these to be delivered as to where I think these should go. And I've settled on an idea. This wall behind me is looking a little bit boring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the setup process on using the app and the AR elements that I can show you how I'm going to have the lights look, go through the whole setup process and give you a quick review at the end to find out whether it's worth the dosh that you'll drop on it and what it is like for use outside of being a YouTuber or a Twitch streamer. So let's go. So in what order and in what configuration am I going to have these tiles? Well, it's best if I show you, because the Nanoleaf app comes with a really, really handy layout assistant. And the augmented reality features in the app make it really easy to visualize your idea and make sure it looks good, and I can start to place it. So this is what I'm going for. I'm going for have this one pop up from behind the computer, and I can do some cable management to hide the cable from it and have it go all the way up to the top while staying in the center of the desk itself. Here it is in landscape. So let's get started. So the Nanoleaf Shape Hexagon Starter Kit comes with either 5, 9 or 15 Hexagon light panels, and it starts from £119. This one that we've got here is the 9-panel one that comes in at £179. Each panel is 20 centimeters in height and 23 centimeters across, with each side of the hexagon coming in at 11.4 centimeters. You get a nice long 2.5 meter cable on the power adapter, which really helps you put this in some interesting positions. Each panel has a luminous flux up to 100 lumens, meaning it can be really bright in certain situations, But using the dimmer on the Nanoleaf app or via voice or via touch, you can bring things down to a level that you actually want. And as you can see, the setup itself is pretty involved from the perspective of someone who is absolutely terrible at DIY. But once you've used the AR features in the app to figure out exactly where you want to put it, use the spirit level on your iPhone to get the first one right, and then it is impossible for the others to be wrong. And as you can see, it has completely transformed the back wall of my spare room.
So, are they any good, and are they worth the money? Functionally speaking, they're pretty sound. It's easy to set up, so long as you're not a pillock like me and forget to put the tabs on the first panel before sticking it up. Integrates nicely with smart home systems. The app is a nice controller with a great community providing a diverse range of custom lighting colours. If you're serious about your YouTube or Twitch game, then yes, they make an excellent backdrop that you can customise to your heart's content. For the regular consumer, however, this becomes a very different question. To the average Joe, this is essentially a 180 quid smart light for your room. If you just need a light for your desk or a lamp for your living room, there are far cheaper options that do the job you need. But if you want a light that does more than just provide illumination, but can also add depth to a room, kind of like those sensory rooms you loved as a kid, then I'd say go for it. Maybe after this pandemic has passed and we don't have to worry about our bank balances so much.
And that's it. In my opinion, this is all really smart, and it goes quite nicely with my room, and it'll go quite nicely with your room. But I'd love to know what you think. Is this something that you'd be thinking about buying? Are you a content creator looking to jazz up your background? Or are you someone who just wants to add an extra pop of colour to your smart home? Go ahead and let me know in the comments. And as always, likes if you enjoyed the video, subs if you loved it, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.